CNN News 18 has now exclusively spoken with Sheikh Hasina's son, who resides in Washington. This is the first reaction that is coming to the fore from Sheikh Hasina's son, who's called this a sham trial. He says people have responded to our shutdown call. There is no rule of law anymore in Bangladesh, and that they will be fighting this out.
We are now joined by Sheikh Hasina's son, Sajeeb Wazed, who has already reacted very strongly in Twitter. Sir, what is your first reaction to this verdict that has come today?
This verdict was known. This was a setup. This was a sham trial. This was completed within 2-3 months by an illegal government. They had to change the laws to enable this trial, and which can only be done by parliament. And the verdict was predetermined. My mother was not even allowed to hire her own attorneys, her own lawyers. So yes, this is a total sham.
And then how, what from now, the Awami League has already called in a shutdown, but how do you plan to go forward, because such a sentence, that to a death sentence?
The sentence itself is a joke. My mother is safe in India. What are they going to do to her? This will all get overturned eventually when there is rule of law. Right now there is no rule of law. And people have responded to our shutdowns in Bangladesh. And we are the largest party. We will fight this. Eventually, this regime will be out soon. And eventually, we will get back the rule of law and fight it.
How do you feel, your grandfather has given the entire his life, your mother has given, you have faced, your family has faced so many things, and then something like this is happening now in Bangladesh?
Yes, unfortunately, it is the Jamaat-e-Islam and the Islamists that are backing this regime. They were the defeated forces from our war of independence. And this is their revenge. But again, for Bangladesh now, it's a matter of the future of Bangladesh, whether Bangladesh returns to stability or it becomes a failed Islamic state with terrorists running free. That is the future. So that is what remains to be seen. We are fighting. Our party is still there. We have the largest number of supporters in Bangladesh, and they are not going to stand for this.
And did you speak to your mother? What was her reaction? And she's fighting it out.
No, I have not been able to speak to her. She wasn't able to answer the phone, so I haven't spoken to her. But we are all quite outraged, and we are ready to fight back.
There it was stated in the court that all this phone conversation were not AI. They were found true, that she ordered for such killings and all these things. How do you react to this?
No, that is not true at all. You have to listen to the full conversation, which we have uploaded. It's available online. She orders the arrests of anyone causing violence. That part has been left out. She expresses concern for lives of civilians and students in the same conversation. So you cannot just take a part of it out of context and convict based on that.
And how do you react when the IG becomes an approver? He was like close confidant, but then he became an approver.
Well, he was under arrest. Who knows what they did to him? You will have to ask his family that.
Mm-hmm. So what is your message for the Bangladeshis, for the Awami League? Lot of people and this shutdown, lot of people are facing, for the last 2 years they are fighting. What is your message for them?
My message is I want to thank the people of Bangladesh for the support they have shown during these lockdowns of the last few days. And the future of Bangladesh depends on them. If they want democracy back, if they want a rule of law back, and if they don't want Bangladesh to become a terrorist state, then they have to fight. They have to join us.
How about your fight? You have been also, from the early childhood fighting everything out, and now also again such a big fight. So how do you see, where do we see you from here?
I am just fighting to save my country, to save my people. That's all. What what the future of that is, it really will depend on the people of Bangladesh. But we are fighting from the Awami League side, and we will never give up.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And
I
hope to
appreciate
talk
it.
to you in the future also. Thanks
Thank
a
you.
lot.
Thank you very much.
Thank-
Bye-bye.